What I'm about to show you should not be free, but it is. I was able to type a single sentence in and get an entire cinematic storyboard all in one go. You can see the prompt here that I wrote in, and now this is what it gave me. And you can see all 9 boards, and it looks really good. There's character consistency throughout. I am now able to extract each shot and then turn it into a mini video like this. And everything you just saw is extremely easy to do. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly, step by step, exactly how to do it. And basically, we're going from idea to storyboard to production ready shots. So we are on InVideo.io. As always, I'll have a link in the description below, and we can click Create AI Video. And now, when we're here, we're going to be able to enter a prompt and do all sorts of stuff. But before you do that, let's click InVideo Vision, and it's going to load the vision area here. And you can see if we scroll down, there's a lot of different things you can do. You can see all the little tabs, but vision is free at the time of creating this video. And we have looks, boards, angles, and extract shots. So let's start off with boards, and we're going to create a brand new project. Okay. We're going to give our project a name. We're going to call this one the Hammer. And you can see it already loads up a prompt for us, create a cinematic storyboard of the following story. And now we can literally enter in anything we want. So I actually have this prompt here. So after a clumsy do-it-yourselfer loses him in the walls of a fixer-upper, a grumpy silver-tongued framing hammer must lead a ragtag group of forgotten tools on a great escape back to the toolbox. So that is it. That's all we need to do. The tool in video will do the rest. And you can see we have this blue unlimited button because it is free right now, again, at the time of recording. So you can see here, it is going to start generating our entire board. And while we're waiting for our single sentence to turn into a 9-image storyboard, which is absolutely insane, especially consider it is free, I want to remind you to subscribe. I cover AI on a daily basis. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this video. Like the video, and let's continue with the output of our board. Our video generation is done, and we can click it. You can actually see what we have created now. So the person's dropping the hammer in, and shot 1, and then we have shot 2, the hammer's there. Shot 3, we see the mad face on it, and then we kind of go through all the way until it finds its way out of the hole, and you can see the toolbox in the background. So this is pretty cool, and we have a bunch of different options we can do with this now, because InVideo is an all-in-one platform where you can take your idea and actually turn it into something kind of cool. So at the bottom here, we're going to click looks, and we're going to stay on the vision tab for a second. And we can see here, we have something called extract shot. So we can actually click this, and it says extract shot X from the attached image. And we're just going to make this a 1. And now we can actually upload the image, and we can download it and upload it, but there's a faster way. We can actually click the image, and under my head, I'm just going to move myself over slightly. We can actually see here, attach the prompt, and it is now on our prompt. So we're going to attach image 1 from the shot, and we can leave it on not unlimited if we want. Again, paid account, just a little bit faster. So we're going to hit generate, and now we can change this to extract image 2. And you know exactly where we're going with this. So we're going to extract each image from the board. So we have 9 of them to extract. We're on 4. We can hold through 5, and you're going to see them all kind of come in. And then we can actually start working with these images to piece them together to make an actual logo video. And you can see InVideo is actually pretty quick because they are all working at once. So you can see 90%, 67, 85, so on and so forth. This is because I have a paid account. If you're doing this completely free, you toggle on unlimited, you can click the unlimited button, and then you can only generate 1 at a time. So just being transparent. And now you can see our storyboard here with all 9 shots, all 9 images are individual images that we can actually work with. So just like the one prompt, we're able to adjust everything on one go. So that is pretty cool, but it gets even cooler. So imagine we want to adjust this image here. We're going to click attach to prompts, very similar to what I showed you before. we're going to click here and we're going to stay under vision. And now we're going to use something called angles. And we can create a different angle of the uploaded image. And we can just click generate and we'll just let it do its thing. While we're waiting for the angle image to generate, I want to modify this image here. So again, I'm going to hit add to prompt. And this time around, instead of angles, I'm going to go to looks and create a different stylized look for the following prompt. And we have our image uploaded and I want for dark, smoke, and dramatic. And the hammer's going to look a little bit more dark and more weary. We'll see how it comes out. Now, the different camera angles, you can see our same image now has like different camera angles, and I really like shot 9. So we can say, okay, I want to extract shot 9, and we can go through the same exact process I showed you before. Oops, wrong one. Same exact process I showed you before. So we're going to say extract shot 9, and now it's going to extract shot 9 from the image, and we can use that one. So we're not stuck to just the original board. We can create a board from a single image, getting different camera angles. The stylized photos are done generating, and you can see the different looks that we have. So we can say, okay, I really like look 7. Let's utilize that one. And again, attach prompt, and we can go through the same exact step, extract, and I think it was 7 I said, right? Yeah, 7. So now we can extract 7 from the clip, and we're basically using boards within boards to collect all the individual prompts, all the individual images. Basically, we're going boards within boards to generate images that we want, that we can use to use them as starting points for generating videos. Now all of our images complete, we've extracted all the ones we want, and we can actually start to make an actual video now and generate videos from each image. And I'm going to show you a trick. So we have this little storyboard image here, and I'm going to actually open up Gemini. And on Gemini, we're going to start with this prompt here. For all 9 images, I need very short sentences that I can feed into an AI model to make a video. The end goal is A, and then you can put in whatever you want. So I'm just going to put in a mini story. And now let's come back to here. We're going to hit copy our image. We're going to come back to Gemini and we're going to hit paste. And now it's going to include our image here. It's going to upload it. And now we can actually just hit submit. And what's going to happen is Gemini is going to literally come up with all the prompts we need to create our story. And keep in mind that we can go through and adjust each prompt to make the story what we want. But this is just a little faster in my opinion. So we're going to come back here now. So we're going to start off with our first image here, the person dropping the hammer. We can click the image itself. And now we can click attach to prompt, very similar to before. And now that it's attached to our prompt, we can actually click here where it says take 1, and we can see we have a ton of different image models, and it is absolutely wild how many there are. There are audio models, music models, and of course video models, and that's what we are looking for. And we have a bunch of different options. So we can see like Kling and Veo and Sora, and it literally has every model you would want. It is here. So let's just pick Kling 2.6 and let's put in our first prompt. A hand drops a hammer through a dark hole in the wall, dust motes dancing in the light beams. And now let's just hit generate, and our first part of our video is now generating. And we can come back and we can see, okay, what is next is the hammer that's fallen, and we have the new version up here. So again, we can click it, we can attach to our prompt. Let's remove the other hammer out, and again, we're going to go from Nano Banana, we're going to come over here, we're going to use Kling again, and let's come back to Gemini and see what this second shot is. And we can come back and we can paste it, we can make adjustments to our prompt, and this looks pretty good. We can hit generate. So it's just repetition at this point. We're just going to take the image, attach it, go to Gemini, grab the prompt, put it in, modify the prompt, and generate a video. And eventually we can get all our videos, piece them together, and it looks something like this. And just like that, we have a fun, silly little story about a hammer making its way back to a toolbox. And because we have access to all the different models, we can actually make this even better. So if we add it to a prompt, and then we add a second one to a prompt, this is going to do any two, and we go to Nano Banana here, we can go to video, and now if we go to view, we can actually do frames. So we can do one frame to the next. So when we generate, it's going to go from like literally one frame to the next, making our transition between clips even smoother. Clear, there's so much here, because if you hit trends, and that is just a vision that we've been looking at, and we've done boards, we've done looks, angles, and extract shots, and we've done everything on Vision, but you can see that there are different effects we can apply to our images or videos, and we can do camera controls and alter resolution, and we can do, these specific shots that will make our video come to life, or performances, and they have it all here built in. However, and it is still crazy to me, Vision is free, at least as of right now. So definitely go check it out, because with one single prompt, you can build an entire storyboard of 9 individual images, extract them, change the angles, change how they look, all in one single platform, completely free. Now I want to show you one last example, and I'm not going to take you through the entire process because you kind of get the general flow, you get the general idea, but this is Darth Vader, and you can see him in a birthday party. And here are the different videos that were generated based off the storyboard that you can see right here. And that is pretty awesome if I do say so myself, which I am and I do. InVideo has so many different tools that we didn't even talk about: photo to avatar, motion graphics, text to clip, the list goes on and on. If you want to check this out though, and you just want to use it for free, you can. If you want to get a plan like I have, then you can upgrade. It is a really cool tool. As always, a link in the description below. And if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. I cover AI on a daily basis. Like the video, tell the algorithm, hey, I enjoyed this type of content, want to see more of it. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.
AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free. Just come and see at FranklinAI.com, where you're meant to be.